What if I told you that you could earn over $10,000 each month by selling educational printables? There's an Etsy shop making more than $30,000 a month through a simple, passive approach. In this video, I'll show you how to start a similar shop. You don't need skills, experience, or money to begin. I'll guide you through every step, including creating artwork and using the necessary tools. Watch the entire video, and by the end, you'll have all you need to kickstart this business. To understand what we are talking about here, we have several stores selling educational printables, digital products. So, what's an educational printable? It's a PDF worksheet or document you can print at home. Think handwriting practice, color cards, number matching, cut and paste tasks, or word find puzzles. Today, I'll show you how to make a handwriting practice worksheet just like this one. Okay, step 1. First, we got to make sure the stuff we want to put on Etsy, these digital printables, are gonna sell. So we're doing a bit of market research to choose a niche that is a hot seller. I've got 2 ways I like to check things out. First, head over to Etsy, type in a few related words, see what pops up, and check out similar products. The other way is using this tool, Alura. It's a browser extension I added, and I totally recommend it. Alura dives deeper into current hot sellers on Etsy, shows you prices, tags, descriptions, and all that good stuff. Let me show you how I use it. Click the Alura extension. It grabs info based on your search. I went with printable worksheets. Then I saw by monthly revenue. That's how much these shops are raking in from single products. For example, this educational poster set makes around $538 per month with over 200 monthly sales and tons of favorites. Now, to dig deeper into this listing, just hit the arrow below. You'll see images, the title, more store info, and all the tags for this product. So, that's how we do our Etsy research. Now let's dive into making our educational printable. To spark ideas, I chatted with the bot and got 10 cool educational printable concepts in the animal niche. Each idea comes with a clear explanation. Now let's dive into one, the animal alphabet. Each letter matched with an animal starting with it. Fun, right? By the way, you can ask ChatGPT for niche ideas if you're stuck. I really like the animal alphabet, especially since similar stuff rocks on Etsy. Just pick the animal alphabet, copy it, and paste it into the chat. The chatbot gave us a handful of animal alphabet concepts. Once you got your idea, the next step is turning it into a finished product. Start with the main part, the animal illustrations. For that, I'd say go with Leonardo AI. It's a great choice, and it's free. So after logging into Leonardo, head over to the left side and click on AI Image Generation, which will bring us to this page. In the prompt field, insert this prompt we have here. First up, pick a style, watercolor, realistic, or like mine, cartoon style. You're free to choose what you like most. In brackets, you'll put options like alligator, butterfly, or puppy. Just pick the animal you need. There's also a clay part, and I added blue eyes, but you can choose any color you prefer. It's all up to you. In the end, I went with a white background. Once you're ready, hit the Generate button. For the best outcomes, Luna, 3D animation style, or Dream Shaper V7 work wonders. And as you can see on the screen, here's how the image came out using Leonardo. It's looking pretty darn professional. Okay, time for the next move. Say goodbye to that white background. Grab a background remover tool for this job. If you're using Leonardo, just hit that pick, find the Remove Background button, and click it. You can also do this with other tools. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps using Photo Room to ditch the backgrounds in my designs. It's a cool tool I use for this job. Ready? I'll put my images into Photo Room one by one, give it a quick drag and drop, and hit that Download button. Watch how the tool works its magic. The background is gone. Time for the fun part. Diving into Canva to create those awesome educational printables. Canva's got this cool tool to help you whip up printables without any cost. Just open Canva, hit Create a Design, pick A4 size, and boom, you're in business. Now upload all those images you've cooked up during your creative journey with Leonardo. After that, grab a template that fits your style, or start from zero. Alright, first up, set the margins. Super important. Click on File, then View Settings, and there it is, Show Margins. That cool, safe print area is where we're gonna work our magic. Stick within that zone, and your print's gonna look good. Now, onto the fun stuff. Click on Text, and start with A. Shrink that size down and pop it into the corner. Alright, time to find our animal buddy for A. That's the alligator. Just have a bit of fun and see what you create. Tweak and twist things as much as you like. It's all about making it your own unique creation. So here's how mine came out. I inserted the letter A and the alligator icon. To get this text in the middle, I changed the font to primary. Then I selected both fonts and wrote the word alligator. Below, there are boxes where you can practice the word. To make these squares, go to the Elements section, then Shapes section and chose Square. Adjust the box to match the letters, change the color to white, and add a border style. Just follow this process for every page, but change the letter, picture, and word. You can also adjust the background to any color you like. Look, in just a few minutes, we've crafted something super cool, something that stands out. Parents with young ones could totally dig this for their kids to practice handwriting. You could sell them individually like A, B, C, and so on, or bundle them up all together, and then create a packet or workbook or a worksheet that then people can buy and print at home. Once you're done, save the templates as a PDF print. To do this, come to the Share button and click on it. Then choose the Download option. Change this to PDF print, and then download. Your creations are good to go, all thanks to the magic of Canva and the AI tools like ChatGPT and Leonardo. Now just create various designs and list them on Etsy. This way, you can expect results. The smart move to start your business is to hop onto platforms like Etsy. They've got a huge audience. And if you're interested in exploring another method to make money online, give this video a click. I'll see you there.